get paid to click buttons. I'm going to show you how to make some money online just by doing this simple and easy method. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. I talked about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, just different ways. So let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I know you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make money. Now, this is going to be super fun. It's going to be a method that you can apply right away and you can start to get paid. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you some really cool tips and tricks of how to do this. So stay tuned. So as mentioned before, if you're brand new, let me know in the comments. For my regulars, happy to have you here and keep watching my videos over and over again. So if you look through here, there are a ton of videos on how to make money online. So if this is not something that you're looking for, make sure you become a part of the family. So that way, every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. You're going to be ahead of everyone. So as soon as you get that notification, click on it, watch the video, and you can see the best and the newest strategies. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this method. And the good thing about this, it is worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So what I'm talking about mturk.com. So mturk.com is a great place that you can make money online just by clicking buttons. So you can fill out a form and you can do simple tasks. It's like a crowdsourcing, I should say, marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their process and jobs to a distributed workplace. So how it works is these huge companies, they have a lot of different small jobs to get done. So what they do is they would come on here and they would place their work, and people like you and like me would come on here and you could fill it out. You can do the easy tasks that they put up. So it doesn't take, I would say a lot of time, it doesn't take too much of your time. Some of the jobs, or I would say 15 to 20 minutes. It can get longer if you're someone who want to make sure that the job gets done correctly. So you want to make sure it's done the right way so you can always get the jobs completed. Now, here's the thing. They will let you know if you're approved or if you're denied for some of the hits. So to sign up, it's pretty easy. Here are some of the benefits that you can get and how does it work. Is requesters have tasks they need to get completed, just like I mentioned, and they put it here onto the mturk marketplace, and workers like yourself and I will just go here and they can find it. Now, if you click over here and you want to become a worker, all you have to do is just sign up. You can sign in as a worker. You can sign in as a requester. So there's a few different ways. So you're not requesting, you want to get the job. So you want to click on here, it started. Now, once you click on this section, you can create task or you can make money online. So you want to click on create a worker account. And once you create a worker account, this is what it's going to look like. So you see all the different jobs available for you, and you can click on accept the work because you're just starting out. So they're going to start you off with like 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 5 cents, right? Now, once you accept the work, you can get the job done. As you progress and you have this over time, a couple of months or you start to get very credible because they're going to review you as well, you can start making these $1.10. You can make a little bit more. Like over here, there's like 35 cents. There's like 11 cents. Some of them are like 10 cents. So these are like some receipts. You'll get like one receipt, or you get like 24 receipts over here. And I'm gonna do this one real quick. So this was created an hour ago. This was created 2 seconds ago. So you can preview, you can look at the job, and you must accept this on your work. So these are some of the things that they will give you. When you see a hit means that you accept the job and you can get it done. Now, if you look here, these are what you're looking for. The highlighted example. So if you look over here, what city. Now, if you can't see a city, well, you can't really put anything. Well, city, you go, all right, so the city right here is going to be Enfield. So you want to type in Enfield. The phone number is 0208. If you guys can't see this, I highly recommend you would zoom in. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. So if you look over here, this is what they're looking for. Now, this is the example. They're looking for the register ID. So the register ID, well, you can't really see it. Let's see, you really can't see it. But you can see like the post internal ID, which is 8708. You're going to put that in. And 0119, you're going to put 0768. And then you're going to put 11 for the cashier ID. So anything that they highlight, that's what they're looking for. So these are some simple jobs. As you can see, the pay that you're going to be receiving is not huge amount of money, but it's something that you can build over time. Because I was checking out some reviews and I see people make at least $1,000, but over time, $1,000 here, $1,500 here, $500 here, $100 here. Now, this is something that you can do. This is easy work. Easy work. It's not going to require you any money. The good thing, it's worldwide. You can do it from everywhere. I wouldn't say every country in the world, but majority of the countries you can sign up. You can make money with this, but it's not going to make you a ton of money. You'll never get super rich. Like if you look over here, look at this, $1 for this, and you got to be qualified to get that. These are some of the jobs that they would give you. Like 2 minutes ago, this is like 1 cent. They'll give you like a marketing survey. So let's look at this and see what it looks like. So we're sorry, but this, you got to have Chrome in order to see that. So you can even look at this as well. And this is like 5 cents. So this is another one. Same thing again. You can just fill that out. This is what you're looking for. Make sure you fill out everything that they ask of you to do. So once you fill it out, then you can start to make money and you can build up your little rewards here and there. Now, as I said before, this is not going to get you super rich. However, it's something that you can do for you to buy some time. So instead of you trying to chase something that you can't do right now, do something that's going to, sit on the couch, do a couple of these surveys, give this to your kid and let them do the surveys for you. If you don't have a kid, well, you do it yourself. Now, this is not going to get you super rich, right? It's not going to give you the life that you deserve. It's not going to take you on the vacations that you want. It's not going to take you on holidays and take you on trips. It's not going to give you the life that you want, right? So in order for you to do that, you got to do something and step out of your greatness. Now, if you want to learn what I'm doing and you want to see exactly what I did to make my life better, because I learned a skill. I learned how to do ads on different social media platforms. I learned how to do ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google. So most of the ads that you see online, I'm not saying all of them are mine, but I can run ads just like what you see online, because guess what? I learned that skill. And if I did not learn that skill, I wouldn't be where I am today. I wouldn't be able to take the vacations that I want and do the trip. See, I didn't do a couple of videos the other day because I was on vacation. Not that I didn't want to. When I'm on vacation, I'm on vacation, right? And I want to have fun with my family. So hope you enjoy that video. I didn't want to take up too much of your time. So that's how you can, get paid to click buttons. So all you got to do is click buttons, enter all the things, and you can get paid. You can make money online. It's a good place to start. So I hope you enjoy that video. My name is Andre, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.